modernization is important for your business, it will remove barriers to digital transformation. 70% of digital transformation initiatives don't achieve their targeted outcomes. And I think this goes hand in hand with the speed to market. Oftentimes, organization going through digital transformation over a number of years, maybe 3-5 years, where at the end of their program, they might find themselves outdated because, things are moving really, really quickly. So the need to move really fast, be agile, be efficient, to innovate, is very important these days. It will also unlock cost efficiencies. Australian and New Zealand businesses says 40% of their app estate will be replaced with more cost-effective SaaS options in the next 1 or 2 years. Better employee experience is something that there's not talk a lot about. A lot of organizations focus on customer experience, which is very, very important. But employee experience is also very important. Imagine if imagine if employees have a bad experience in doing their day-to-day job, which means that they're becoming, more and more inefficient in doing their job. And if they have a great employee experience, they will be happy where they are, and they can do things more efficiently, and they can produce more for your organization. And security, again, is one of those things that we don't really need to talk about. It's very important. The new technologies mean that they are more up to date in terms of security updates, and we will reduce technical debt as well, because older applications might work for your older business processes, but as you move along, it might no longer be required that much. And I think a lot of organizations have this mindset. When we work with one organization in particular, for example, when we ask, why are you doing things a certain way? And sometimes their answer is because that's what we've been told to do, and that's the way we do things. And oftentimes this is because they've been limiting themselves because of the legacy apps they've been working with. They've been restrained and limited because of that. And that's how you can unlock efficiencies, I think, with new modern apps, replace your legacy apps. Modernization on the roadmap. As per the previous research that was done by Capitalis, out of the companies that were surveyed in Australia and New Zealand, about 21% of them have in their roadmap to replace existing apps with SaaS, and about 31% will increase the usage of low-code and no-code solution. And about 40% of the other organizations are including these two in the roadmap for the next 2 years. So this is a good diagram or some stats for you to ponder upon where your organization fit in and where you should move to.